What you're going to need is an egg or two, 3 plastic grocery bags, scissors, tape, a plastic cup, decorating supplies, and a parent for help. The first step is to take tape. You're going to cut a piece of tape that is 3 to 4 inches long. This is what you're going to use to secure the handle on the side of the cup. Take the grocery bag and find the seam of the handle. Align this seam up and down the side of the cup. For the most security, tape starting over the lip of the cup, across the seam, and down the cup. Once you have finished, you're going to repeat this step again by cutting a second piece of tape the same length as the first and taping the second handle to the cup. It is important to tape the second handle directly across from the first one. This will ensure that the parachute will be balanced when it falls. Again, finding the seam and taping over the lip of the cup, across the seam, and down the side of the cup. Next, we're going to test to see if our parachute is balanced. Grab the top 2 corners of the parachute bag. See how the cup is tilted? That's not what we're looking for. You need to adjust your handles. When you're completely balanced, you'll be able to see that the cup sits directly up and down when you hold the top of the parachute. Next, we're going to decorate. We chose a flying WV. Now take 1 grocery bag and place it in the bottom of the cup. Now take your egg, hard-boiled or raw for a little bit of a mess, and wrap in a second grocery bag. These grocery bags will serve as a cushion for our egg to protect it from a fall. Next, take another piece of tape and place it across the top of the cup, over both sides. This will help to ensure that the egg is unable to exit the cup during any point of the descent. And now you're ready to drop your egg. Now before our final test, grab a parent and find a good place to drop your parachute. Make sure you hold it from the top for your best results. Here are some ideas of where to test your parachute. Over the side of an open staircase, out a window, sitting on the bed of a truck, or from the top of a slide or playground. You want to find a location about 5 feet off the ground to start off. And then, once you've dropped, it's time to look at your results. Take your egg out of your cup and see what happened to it. Is it still completely intact, or does it maybe have a few cracks in it? If it's still together, do you think you can find a higher location to drop it from? If it cracked, how do you think you can improve your design? Keep in mind, when engineers solve problems, they use the engineering design process and very rarely get it right on the first try. Take a look at our drop. What do you think would happen? Let's ask ourselves a few what-if questions. How do you think you can add 2 parachutes? What do you think would happen? What if you tried to put 2 eggs in your basket instead of 1? How do you think you would do that? Do you think you need a new basket? And what do you think would happen if you dropped it from a higher height? Try to answer these questions with experiments. Great job! Thanks for doing a fun project with us. We are so happy that we could put this together for you.